Ooh, it's a cold morning. I just want to share this with you guys. I'm not sure we'll get another snow this year. 19th day of February 2025. Another snow. At least here in parts of the South. This is probably nothing compared to what you got up in Tennessee, up around Clarksville, Nashville, maybe around Memphis. I'm not sure. Southern Middle Tennessee, but it's a nice little snow. It's not the kind of snow though that you can make snow cream with, because it has ice in it and sleet. I barely made it home this morning before the freezing rain and sleet hit. It started, right about when I got here at 1 o'clock this morning. It was starting to hit the windshield of the truck, and I was like, well, I timed this just right to get home before the roads really get slick. And I'm assuming we're having work today because nobody has texted or called or anything like that to tell me otherwise. So I'm assuming we're going in. That's what it looks like on the rooftop. Back in the beautiful field with the snow and the pine trees. I love that. I love the way that looks. Snow and those pine trees. Now, the big story will be the cold. The snow is something, but the cold, tonight, it's supposed to be 17 degrees here and brutal with wind chill. The great thing about it is my little truck doesn't like to shift gears. When it's cold, solenoids in the transmission, I'm pretty sure they need changing out. She's got 300,000 miles on her. Simba likes it. He's enjoying the cold weather. He is the only one. I'm ready for summer myself. The rooftop. Here's our little fire pit. Yeah, she covered with snow this morning. The rooftop. Yeah. Well, this dog is dying for a ride, so I guess that's what we're about to do. Let's go for a ride. He has to have his morning ride. But anyway, I wanted y'all to see what we got here overnight last night. And y'all like, subscribe, leave a comment. I greatly appreciate you.